Dude. Oh, he lives. Hey, dude.
Oh. What happened?
Oh, I saw the whole thing, dude. First you were all like, whoa. And then we were like, whoa. And then you were like, whoa.
What are you talking about?
You, Manny man, taking on the jellies. You got serious thrill issues, dude.
Oh.
Awesome.
Oh, my stomach. Oh.
Oh, man. Hey, no hurling on the shell, dude, okay? Just waxed it.
So, Mr. Turtle.
Oh, dude, Mr. Turtle is my father. Name's Crush.
Crush? Really? Okay, Crush. Listen, I need to get to the East Australian Current. EAC.
You're riding it, dude! Check it out! Okay, grab shell, dude!
Grab
on this fine day to the EAC?
Well, Dory and I need to get to Sydney. Dory, is she all right?
Ah, a little Bloat. She is so lovely.
Dory! I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. It's my fault.
29:30, ready or not, here I come! There you are! I'm taking that!
Oh my goodness!
Whoa, kill the motor, dude. Let us see what Squirt does flying solo. You so totally rock, Squirt! So give me some fin. Noggin. Oh, intro. Jellyman, Offspring, Jellyman.
Jelly?
Totally.
Well, apparently I must have done something you all liked.
You rock, dude!
Ow.
Curl away, my son. Oh, it's awesome, Jellyman. Blue dudes are just eggs we leave 'em on the beach to hatch. Cuckoo, ka-choo, they find their way back to the big old wood.
All by themselves?
Jaw.
But dude, how do you know when they're ready?
Well, you never really know, but when they know, you'll know, you know?
Look, everybody! I know that dude! It's the Jelly Man! Well, go on! Jump on him! Are you ready?
I need to breathe.
Are you running away? Did we cross the jellyfish
Steal one at a time.
Mr. Fish, did you die?
Sorry, I was a little vague on the details.
So where are you going?
Well, you see, my son was taken away from me.